Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something typical English. First time I really do it, but I'm gonna give my version. I'm going to make a black pudding. I know, I'm Italian, but I'm try because it's one thing I really like. We make in Italy called sanguinaccio, but I think it's different. But anyway, I'm going to prepare this. I'm gonna show you everything we need. Okay? We need the dry blood from the pig. Ask your butcher or search if you can find on Amazon. For this recipe, I'm gonna need 200 grams or ml, how do we want to call the dried blood. 200. This is 250 ml of water, but maybe we're gonna need around 200. I put a little bit more, but in case. Okay, 150 grams of oatmeal, sage and onion stuffing. We have 150 grams as well. I'm gonna use the fat, the pork fat. I'm gonna use around 200 grams, but I'm not sure if 200 grams is a lot. We're gonna have 80 grams of Pearl Barley, and we're gonna boil it. And later some herbs. This is about how much you like. I have some mixed herbs. I'm gonna use wild fennel seeds, salt, crab pepper, and marjoram. This is the first thing we're gonna do. The water boil, we put in, and we start to prepare the blood, okay? The dry blood inside. We're gonna add slowly a little bit of water. Okay? And start mix. We don't want this not too thick, but not too little, okay? Okay, maybe I wanna add more water than what I think. Share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now I want to show you the consistency you have to find here. You know, it's like that. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put our herbs and salt and pepper. I put some Marjoram, how much you like, eh? I mix the herbs, pinch of crab pepper. We're going with the salt and fennel. I know it's very not English, but Italian put fennel everywhere. And I'm one of them. Now mix everything well and leave it to marinate. This stuff, guys, we're gonna prepare this and the Pearl Barley. We're gonna prepare. Well, someone they recommend even the day before, but I'm gonna do this 2-3 hours. It's like this. It's completely like this. Look like chocolate. Now, someone mince the fat, someone put dice. I like the way the dice. Okay, cut like this. How thick you like, but I recommend you not too thick, you know, something like this. Something like that. And I'm gonna make cubes, okay? Something like this, guys, okay? Cut your fat. When the Pearl Barley is ready, we have to wait to cool down completely. When that is cool down, we have to put in the water the sage and onion stuff and the oatmeal, and we're gonna mix everything and we're gonna put it in the oven. This going in the oven 170 degrees. Gonna take around 20-25 minutes, but I'm gonna give more precise later. But what is important, we have to the cooking we're gonna use the temperature checking, gonna be 70 degrees. That is very important. Okay guys, my Pearl Barley is ready and is cooled down. I cut my pork fat in cubes. They done. Now I need some water to soak the sage and onion and the oatmeal. Okay, we put inside. I wanna do that separate. Okay, and two. Now some water inside, a little bit more. And all this stuff gonna be now in the pot. Another thing I'm gonna do now, preheat the oven 170. Better, you know? It's normal stuff. It's done. Everything, guys, okay? Really nice. Later, depend how big you want to do your black pudding. But mix very well. Wanna be very. It's not very difficult. Now, Pearl Barley inside as well. And guys, the mix is done. It's my version, okay? Thick. Huh? Take the tray you're gonna put in the oven. I'm gonna use one of these. I put baking paper inside, and guys, we're gonna fill up this tray. Now I need some warm water because we're gonna, it's very important is, we're gonna like put in a bagno maria, okay? In the oven, 170 around, I'm gonna be 20 minutes, half an hour, I'm gonna be more precise, but important to have 70 degrees with thermometer inside. This is gonna be inside, like that. Now we put in the oven 170 degrees. I'm gonna be more precise later. Anyway, I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay guys, this is just now came out from the oven, and to get the 70 degree in the middle, 170 degrees, I spent was 45 minutes. Now what we're gonna do, this is ready basically, but now we're gonna leave it to cool down completely. Okay guys, my black pudding is done. Look at that. All night I left in the fridge. Basically this is rest for 24 hours, and now it's quite solid, you know. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look, beautiful. I told you it's my first black pudding, and now we're gonna see together how is. I'm going to cut it and we'll see. Oh, I'm super happy. Look there. It's fantastic. Guys, this is very, very nice. It's a masterpiece. Wow. And this one basically is cooked because, you know, in the oven, you can eat like that, or you can pan fry it, you can have breakfast, you know, bacon, eggs, black pudding is typical English. And I'm I'm very happy. Guys, this is absolutely delicious. This is Piero's black pudding, a masterpiece. I'm very happy. Well done, Piero. And like, guys, always, if you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao.